Yeah, just open it there. You don't have to move it.
Yeah, just rip it open.
Rip it open?
Rip it open. Will it rip?
Do you need some help?
Keep going. Rip.
What is that? Okay, take all the paper off.
He's sitting there, you know I'm looking.
Should we take it off?
No.
Okay.
I think we should try to...
Down yet. Oh man, I'm jealous.
So that is cool.
Nice little song.
It is.
Garbage.
Should we get it? Should we drill it?
That is cool.
See, Evan, watch. Go like this. You go, oh, let's drill it. And you go, look at that sweet hole.